Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to file a prior year's tax return. So let's get into it. We're on Turbotax, and Turbotax is a fantastic piece of software. We're going to jump now into turbotax.com. This is their official website, and you can see over here, before we even sign up, we can go up to the top of the page and we can look for support. Now, underneath the support tab, you will find file a prior year's taxes. Right over here, you will be able to now find the prior year's tax number that you can use. So that's 2021 and 2020. And then you can go ahead and you can choose the package that you want. So it's from deluxe all the way to business with its price tag, and you can go ahead and just tap on buy now, enter your payment details, and make the purchase. Then what you want to do from here is it will download to your device. You want to install that software, and that software will help you to file your prior year's tax return. So what you want to do thereafter is you want to jump back into the Turbotax, where you can see your account, and you're going to go ahead and look at the wages and income. And what we're going to do here is you're going to complete the return for that specific year, and then Turbotax will actually help you through the entire process. Alternatively, you can also go to the IRS, which is irs.gov, and over here you can go into the search bar on the right hand side, and you can go ahead and just search for that particular year that you would like to file that return for prior of. And in the results, you should find the form that you need. Now, previously, what I searched for was 2017. And actually, it says over here, search for prior years forms. So here you can go in and you can find all the prior years forms. So there's 2021 and 2022, and then you can download the forms that you need, and then you can go ahead and mail it back to the IRS. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'd love to hear from you. You can drop us a comment below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.